Welcome back to channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And what are we doing today?
So today we thought to do a monthly favorites for you guys. We have collected 10 products each, and these are the products that we actually loved in the month of May. So we'll start in that.
And yes, these are an assortment of different sort of products. These are not just beauty products or clothes or whatever. These are an assortment of all sort of products which we couldn't do without in the month of May.
And there is a giveaway for you guys at the end of the video. There's something really cool that we have for you. So stay tuned till the end of it. So Akriti, what's your first product?
So my first product are these reflectors from Misa More Clothing. Well, I love aviators, and these are one of my favorite aviators because they really nicely reflect everything. I have similar ones from Ray-Bans, but I don't know why I end up liking these more, even though they're really big for my face, but they're really cool. See? Look at them!
So similarly, I have these pair of shades from Forever 21. I completely love them. See how cool it looks, because I have a small face, so I think they suit me the best, and this is how it looks.
So guys, the next product which I have is this body lotion from The Body Shop, and why this is amazing is because it's got a very nice shimmery finish to it. It's called Frosted Plum Shimmer Lotion, and it looks absolutely beautiful on your skin. It smells of plum, and it's really different and nice from the regular, strawberry smell that you're used to or from The Body Shop. And look at this. This is how it looks like.
So something similar again is my body lotion from Sephora. This one is in the fragrance Peony, and it is very lightweight and it's perfect for the summers. It absorbs in really quick. It does not feel greasy, and it smells very flowery and summery. It's amazing. This is how it looks. The other set of products are nail paints, and we have different shades, so you go first.
Alright, so my favorite nail paint right now is this matte nail polish, white matte nail polish from NYX, and this is absolutely amazing because it gives a very beautiful white matte finish. And you have been seeing me put this nail polish almost throughout the month, and I got this one from Singapore, Sephora, so I hope you can find it in India as well because I've seen NYX products there too. And this is what it looks like.
So I picked up this very pretty light pink nudish kind of shade, and this one's from Lakme Absolute Gel Stylist range in the color Pink Champagne. It's very light on the nails, and it just looks like your nails but better. This is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like on my nails.
So guys, the next product that we're going to talk about are individual favorite perfumes in the month of May. And this one right here is Lady Million. It's a very nice strong perfume, and if you put it in the morning, it's going to stay on you throughout the day. Absolutely love the bottle, and this is what it looks like.
So something similar for me is 212. I love the bottle. I mean, look at it. It's so pretty, and it's gold. I have something for gold. Also, generally, I am not that fond of strong fragrances, but this one is something I completely like, and it stays on you for good 8 to 10 hours, and it's perfect for summers, which is why I love this. This is how it looks like.
So guys, the next product which we have are our individual headphones and speakers which we use the most, and these really cute pink earphones with amazing noise cancellation and bass are from Evidson. I'm going to leave a link below so that you guys can buy it, and these are really adorable. Look how cute they look.
So for me are not earphones but speakers from JBL. They're really tiny, and you must be wondering that it won't have a good sound quality, but even I was shocked when I heard it, and it has amazing quality. Also, I did not pick this up from anywhere. I got this as a Diwali gift from office. So yeah, I loved it in the month of May, and this is how it looks like.
So guys, the next product which we have are our favorite crop tops, and it's summer. We have something really cute and floral, and this is my favorite one which I got from Singapore from Street Shopping. This street is called Boogie Street, and you can get amazing stuff from there.
And I picked this one up from Cupid. This is the one in Koregaon Park. If you're in Pune, you would know. And and this is how it looks like. What are you doing?
Showing my next favorite product. These are my favorite mason jars, and I got 4 of them from Chumbak recently, and these are really cute. So whenever she comes over, we have a lot of things in these, and they look so cute. Look at them.
I like the yellow one. So the next product that I have is a complete summer essential. It is the dry shampoo from Dove. Why I like this is because it has a very nice mild fragrance to it. It is not very pungent and does not give me a headache. Also, it saves me from all the bad days when I've had greasy scalp. So this has been a complete favorite all throughout May. This is how it looks like.
Next is my favorite sling bag. You
Oh,
guys must have seen me carry this around everywhere. This is an absolutely favorite bag because it's silver and it's golden and it's studded and it's so easy to carry, and I put everything in this. Again, I got this one from Street Shopping Singapore. You can get amazing stuff there for really cheap, and this is what it looks like.
So the next thing that I have is my favorite lip color from Chanel. Look at it. It has a very nice packaging, and this is how it looks like. It is a very pretty pink, and this is their Rouge Allure collection in the shade 138. I'm going to leave the shade name below because it's very difficult to pronounce. So this is how it looks like. I'm just going to swatch it for you. It's a very pretty pink and I completely love it.
So the next favorite product of mine is this hat, and I absolutely love it. This I got during my Forever 21 haul, remember? And ever since then I've been obsessed with it. So I adore it. Look at this.
So I'm very fond of scented candles and diffusers, and my next product is this scented candle from Niana. It's in the pink passion. It smells amazing. Smell it.
I know, ever since the time she's got this inside my room, my whole room has started smelling so amazing.
I picked this up from a store in Candies, Bandra, Mumbai. It's called the Marry Me store. It's inside Candies. And this is how the bottle looks like. White and pretty.
So this is my last product, and it's a bag. I love this bag. It's from Zara, and it's so big that I can carry everything in this. Whenever I go out for a shoot, I put my clothes, my shoes, my camera, everything inside, and then I carry it.
So a similar thing for me is a bag too. I love carrying this around when I'm traveling or also going for shoots because this is huge. This one is from Caprese. It's nice, black and studded, and I love it. This is how it looks like.
So guys, these were our favorite products from the month of May, and if you guys want any more information, you can ask in the comment section below. Also, we would love to know which are your favorite products, and do leave a comment below for that too. So Shara, now about the giveaway.
Yes, let's just show what do we have for the giveaway, and it is
A sugar box!
This is the sugar box that's up for giveaway. Let's just go through what is inside it one by one. And the first thing is a very cute dress with a watermelon on it. Look at this! Cute!
Yeah, and my favorite product out of this is this little clutch.
So the next thing is a very cute blue colored storage box, and it has a couple of goodies inside it.
So these two right here have one ring and one really cute headband, then a chocolate, and I love this set of makeup brushes. If you want to win this, then please follow the rules mentioned down in the description box. All the best, guys!
So there's one last thing left, guys. The winner from our previous video's giveaway is mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And we really hope you liked today's video. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to
Pretty Little Things!
Bye guys!
Yeah, I should put this up in the video too.